So as many of you guys who follow our channel know, me and Kyle, we end up finding all sorts of crazy random cars. We do all sorts of fun stuff with. Sometimes we blow them up, sometimes we build them. Well, we find these cars in a variety of different ways, one of them being tow yard auctions, which are very popular in the Pacific Northwest. We look at auctions in the paper or whatnot. If we see something we like, we go ahead and gamble on it. And that is how we came across this $300 2JZ in this 1997 Lexus SC300. I'll show you how we got it running and did drifty things.
Stupid Toyota fuel pump. Turd. You can find a plug that works on that. It'll plug in.
So we're in the process of ghetto rigging a fuel pump. We are total cheap asses, so we opted for this true grade cheapy fuel pump that matched the same GPM as the original Toyota pump. It was 35 bucks.
Doing 2JZ things.
What's up with the spare?
Excess weight.
I see that. It doesn't even spare very well.
No, it's broken.
Do you actually want to save any of this right here?
No. That's all excess weight. Not a lot of it, but it's weight.
Weight reduction 101. Thank you, Waste Management.
Hey, traction control's on.
Yeah.
Traction control off. Going pretty good.
She rips?
Yeah, she slides.
Sick. Let's go for a ride.
Get in, pussy. Where are you gonna sit?
Honcho, are you down? I think you're down. That was fun.
It was. It's the best $300 SC300